shawarma for lunch. Guys, so we're going home because asynchronous yung dalawang ko pang class and makakauwi ako ng maaga, so happy. Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 10:46 in the morning and I just woke up. Medyo late ang gising ko today because later pa naman ng hapon yung class ko. But anyways, let's do my morning routine. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. We're gonna cook some pancakes. So, kumain na ako ng pancake. Then, I have the egg na nasira. Hey guys, so I'm running late. Here's a little fit check. And now we're ready to commute. See you at school. Currently, nasa tricycle ako. Look na yung scarf ko. I don't know if narinig niya ako, but hindi pa tayo late. It's still early for something pa. Studying for our quiz. Hey, my pork chicken for lunch. Ang lakas mo! Good morning guys! Happy Friday! Today we have a 8 a.m. class and paalis na ako. So, let's go! My 11/11 purchases are here now, so let's unbox it. I have 5 parcels here. Okay. Alimutan ko ng mga iba kong purchases, pero more on makeup naman yung kinuha ko because gusto ko magkaroon ng sarili dahil dati naghahati lang kami ni Ate. Ooh, this is a makeup brush. So pretty. This is the Happy Skin X March Buffing Brush. Okay, it's a concealer. I hope tama yung shade ng concealer. So this is the Sam Concealer. Ito yung shade na 1.25. Oh, I forgot. I have a Tevian. It's so pretty. Look at that packaging. Super gusto ko talaga tong Dated Dust nila. And I picked the first date na shade. Sayang, bibili kasi sana ako ng Chuchu Beauty na Miss Dolly. Pero naubusan na. Hindi ako nakahabol. Where is it? Ooh, my. Ang bigat! Gusto ko kasi matry ito. Like, may nakikita ako. Tapos kinascope yung face. Para depuffing. May pinakamalaking parcel. So, I feel super worth it neto because, syempre, nag-travel kami and ganda tong pang-organizer. Para pag nilagay ko sa bag, syempre, isang pasok na lang. So, meron ka pang shoes. And then, other, And lastly, ito yung sa clothes natin. Like this.
有蹩腳無言啦。
Safe lang. No one knows how far it goes. Guys, we're done na sa audition niya.
Yeah.
Sayang, sira na yung mic. But yeah, it's good. Okay pa rin. I'm a vacation. Day in my life. I'm a vacation student.
Talaga naman, situation ka pa.
Alumni na.
Oo nga, situation ka pa rin.
Okay, so we're going to UST na for real.
Ano yung katabi niya? Titikim lang naman.
The best. The best of the best. Hey guys, so I just got home and sorry, medyo maingay sila baby if narinig nyo. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!